In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a PayPal account number. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. PayPal does not use a traditional account number the way a bank does. So if you're looking for a PayPal account number to share with someone, what PayPal usually uses instead is the email address connected to your account. In most cases, that email address is the main identifier people need in order to send you money through PayPal. To check which email is connected to your PayPal account, start by signing in to your PayPal account and going to your account summary page. This is the main dashboard where you can see your balance, recent activity, and account overview. If you're already logged in, you're in the right place to continue. Once you're on the summary page, look toward the top area of the screen for the gear icon. This icon opens your account settings. Go ahead and click it. The settings area is where PayPal stores your personal account details, including the email addresses linked to your profile. After opening settings, find the section labeled emails. This is the area you'll want to review carefully. Here, you'll see the email address or email addresses associated with your PayPal account. If you only have one email listed, that's typically the one being used as your PayPal identifier. If you have multiple email addresses attached to the account, make sure you note which one is marked as primary, since that is usually the best one to give out when someone needs to send you a payment. A helpful tip is to make sure the email you share is active and confirmed in PayPal. That helps avoid confusion and makes it easier for payments to reach the correct account. If someone asks for your PayPal account number, this is usually the information they are really asking for. So to recap, PayPal doesn't provide a standard account number for your account. Instead, you can use the email address linked to your PayPal profile. To find it, go to your PayPal summary page, click the gear icon to open settings, and then look in the email section. That's all you need to do. Now you know how to find the PayPal information most people are referring to when they ask for your account number.